Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. Today I will explain this style of makeup look. This is very simple, cute, everyday makeup look. This is 2 minutes makeup look. So I will try this makeup look. Let's get started into the video. First I am using as a primer Fair and Lovely face cream. Apply evenly on your face and neck also. Next I am using this compact powder, Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade 222. Next I am using this Itex Kajal on my waterline. Next I am using Lakme's eyebrow pencil on my eyebrows. Next I am using this lip balm Maybelline Baby Lips. Now the makeup is completed within 2 minutes. This is very simple and cute makeup look. If you like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye.